This is the sauce my husband is using on our barbecue chicken. It is really good. Only $1 or $1.25 at Family Dollar. Y'all gotta try it. Bullseye every day. Make sure you get the honey one.
There it is, y'all. There it is. I've got
Spinach, cucumbers, tomatoes, a few onions, and a few bell peppers, lettuce, and then I just asked for a couple of slices of ham chopped up. Y'all,
it's about to be good.
as I said, make sure you get the honey one. It is delicious, y'all.
I promise you, you won't be disappointed.
Special fancy savings and lifetime oil changes and get Max for your trade. Drive with